remember, we were working on this 56 Chevy. Now the owner took this car, it was a 4-door, and he did the 2-door conversion on it. He did probably a good 80% of the welding. There was just a couple little things we had to touch up here and there. Not from him, just spots that he hadn't finished. And that's about it. He did a beautiful job on it. And he picked these colors out. And one is like a burnt orange, and then with the Indy Ivory on top. And of course Sean did his magic with the bodywork. Jared got in there and did his phenomenal paint work as normal. So you can see just how good that looks. So 56 Chevy, 2-door post now, 210 model. I think his plan is he's going to get a home. Apparently his sister's getting married in 8 weeks. And I think he wants to take the car there. Good. Rear glass, we had the rear glass installed for him. We went to put the front windshield in that he brought us out, and believe it or not, sometimes you get glass and it doesn't fit, and his front windshield was out by like a good ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch in the corners. Just would not go. And that's what happens sometimes when you get glass. It's just cut wrong. So he'll have to take care of that, but it's looking good. Now he's got a little 327 in this car, disc brake conversion kit on the front. He's got the 200, I think he's got the 3-speed 200 automatic transmission in it. This is just a cruiser for him. So as you can see, everything's looking nice and straight, looks beautiful. Again, this is not a wet sand or a polish, this is just how it comes out of the booth. If you want to take it to that next level, of course you can wet sand and polish. But I mean, that's when you're going for the real show car status kind of thing. If you're just making a nice cruiser, why would you bother? So that's about it. The 56 Chevy is gone. It's done. It's going to be getting brought out of here now. Tow guy's on the way. So there you go, folks. There's our 56 little Chevy. You can kind of see inside here where he did the, well, you can't really see, but anyway, you can see where he's done some welds right there, the owner, where he did his conversion work. You can see, if you can see through here, we threw the white paint all up inside the trunk area. We painted that, threw a little extra paint up on top here like factory would have. We did the dash. Obviously that's not the right steering wheel. That's just the steering wheel to roll it around. Solid floors, look how solid this car is. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Just see how the sun hits it. So that's it, not much more to show you on that. We didn't get too many videos on that. We got behind the videos quite a bit here, but as you can see, we're back on track. If you saw my last video, we're doing kind of how-tos on it now. So we're going to give you guys a lot more stuff that's involved. So hey, what can I say? Remember, it's always a good time at old time. We'll see you next time.